How to add and enable Yahoo Calendars on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. So from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then from the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Apps. Next, tap on Calendar. Now in here, tap on Calendar Accounts. Then tap on Add Account. Then in here, tap on Yahoo. Next, we need to sign to your Yahoo account. Now here, say we can download the Yahoo Mail app. So I'm going to choose maybe later, or you can close that dialog box. Here, sign to your Yahoo account. Okay, once you have signed to your Yahoo account, make sure you turn on Calendars. So tap on the Calendars toggle button and turn it on. Then tap on Saved. And that's it. Now we can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Then open up your calendar app. And then we go down here and tap on Calendars. Now scroll down and make sure in your Yahoo section you have select the calendar. So make sure the radio box is selected to activate the Yahoo calendar. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.